The iPhone 16 has been out for about 6 months. One of the most significant changes rumored for the iPhone 17 Pro is the redesign of its back panel. Now, photos leakers claim to be the frame of the iPhone 17 Pro have emerged online. Apple iPhone 17 lineup looks like it was designed by different companies. This is how this year's iPhone 17 Pro is gonna look like. As per FPT, the iPhone 17 Pro lineup will have the same camera design with a big island additionally on the back. The phone is going to be lighter than the previous generation. iPhone 17 Pro models are rumored to have an aluminum frame, whereas the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro models have a titanium frame, and the iPhone 10 through iPhone 14 Pro have a stainless steel frame. iPhone 17 Pro series is said to be the A19 Pro chip. It is expected to be built using TSMC's 3rd generation 3nm process and a bump to 12GB RAM. This upgrade should help to improve the performance of Apple Intelligence and multitasking. All 4 iPhone 17 models are said to feature an upgraded 24-megapixel front-facing camera, whereas all iPhone 16 models are equipped with a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. An upgraded 48-megapixel telephoto camera is rumored for the iPhone 17 Pro models. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.